Succulent Care Tips for Beginners, the Ultimate Guide. This guide will walk you through the most important aspects of succulent care so you can grow beautiful succulents inside your home and in your garden. What is a succulent? Jade plant succulent aka crassula in a gray pot on top of a brown table. Supplies needed for healthy succulents. Succulent roots are very susceptible to root rot if overwatered, so using a soil mix that does not hold on to excess water is key to avoiding overwatering. How to plant succulents. The theory is this allows any damaged roots to callus over before taking in any water. How to water succulents properly. If you don't water outdoor succulents in the summer when the topsoil feels dry, preferably in the morning, then you risk things like sunburn, scorched leaves and roots that can't be revived, and wrinkly leaves. This is how they learn to store water in their leaves. It's a survival mechanism. Caring for outdoor and indoor succulents. Top view of a rosette succulent that has brown sunburned leaves, sitting atop moss and a white faux pumpkin. Use fertilizer sparingly when caring for succulents. How to get rid of mealybugs on succulents. Pruning, a fun part of succulent care. Simply tug it off to clean up your succulent. You've now learned how to take care of succulents. Now that you've read through this guide about succulent care, you can start your own mini succulent garden. How to make a fairy garden using succulents.